Welcome back to Music Theory Made Simple, and today I'm going to show you how to play This Old Man. This Old Man in this version is in the key of G major, and it starts on the note D, which is on the fourth line of the stave. So to find that note, we start on middle C, and we're going to come up to an octave higher, and we're going to go up one note, C, D, and this is our starting note here. So the tune at a slow tempo sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how to play This Old Man at slow tempo, and remembering that the G, it comes down, so rather than it comes down for the G. So here is This Old Man at tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. We really hope you enjoy playing This Old Man, and we look forward to seeing you again on Music Theory Made Simple. Until then, keep practicing.